Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers and electronics and communication engineers. The name of the company is BHEL, BHEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. So it's a government undertaken company. It's a beautiful opportunity for you to work under the government of India. So I will be giving the link in the description. When you click that link, you will be going to the official website, or else you will be seeing the advertisement which they call for. So when you scroll down or when you go to the official website of them, you can see investor news, like that. You can see a career. When you click on the icon career, you can see recruitment advertisement. So you have to click on the recruitment advertisement, so that you will be coming here. They have clearly mentioned that they won't collect any extra fee other than the application fee, I mean for online application, and it's purely merit process, and do not believe anyone, or do not believe any fraud email IDs and all. So be alert and don't get a prey for them. And when you scroll down, you can see here, this is the advertisement which they released. Mainly they are targeting mechanical and EC students. So when you scroll down, you can see this. So they are recruiting for the posts of trainee and project engineers in Panchkula unit. So here you can see the PDF of the advertisement, and last date to apply is this month October 27. And here there will be another second line. You can see how to apply to. If you click here, you can apply online. If you want to pay fee, you can click this link. So when you click the advertisement, you will be seeing this PDF. So here, if you see, means they are for the post of training engineer, you must have 25 years, and number of posts for electronics people is 55 and mechanical is 22. And experience freshers can apply for this job. So they will be giving a stipend of first year you will be getting 25,000, second year 28, and third year 31,000. And for the post of project engineer 1, you must have 28 years as on 1/10/2021. Total number of posts for electronics is 33 and mechanical is 17. So mechanical and electronics graduates can apply for this job. It's a golden opportunity for you guys. And when you scroll down, they will be telling in the qualification as 4 years of BE in electronics or electronics and communication mechanical. So mechanical and EC graduates can apply for this job. And selection will be like 75% will be aggregate marks secured in B or BTech, and remaining 10 will be 2.5 marks will be allocated for the experience, and 1.25 will be for additional experience of 6 months, and remaining they will be classifying. And those who are willing to apply can click on this icon. Those who want to apply online, you can click this link. And the starting date for online application is 6th October 2021, and last date for applying is 27 October 2021. So before this month 27, you have to apply for this job. And application fee is, for project engineer you have to pay 500 rupees, for training engineer you have to pay 200 rupees. For SC/ST candidates and PWD candidates, there is no fees. And you can pay your fees through SBI online banking, or even if you want to go to our branch, and also you can directly pay the fee. And those who are willing to apply can click on this icon, that is to apply online. You have to click it. So here they will be telling 2 or 3 steps. You have to sign up and you have to fill all your documents, and like your mobile number and Aadhaar card, and you must have a registered mobile number, so that your verifications will be coming via message. So all those process you have to continue, and you have to click move on to next step. Move on to next step means the next step is payment for the application of the post. Okay, 500 or 200, whichever post you are applying, you have to apply. So I think so this video will be useful for mechanical and electronics students, so kindly share with them, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. Stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all the job opportunities available in India and abroad. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.